Okay, hello, hi, this is Faisal with you. I'm a CCNA and a CCNP and also a CCI service provider, and I'm gonna talk to you about this spanning tree protocol. Like, what's spanning tree protocol? What's the basic purpose of the spanning tree protocol into the network? What is the importance of the spanning tree protocol, and why you want to use spanning tree protocol into the core of the network? So, first of all, the spanning tree protocol is a layer 2 technology. So, it's a layer 2 technology and it's a very important technology in the first place and all that. So first of all, before starting the spanning tree, I want to explain you like why you want to use spanning tree into the core of the network in the first place. The purpose of the spanning tree protocol is to avoid layer 2 loops. When you have a layer 2 loop into your network, like there is a traffic which is moving from point A to point B and from point B back to point A, it can cause a loop which can cause a CPU high on a particular device and cause the device to become unresponsible at the end of the day. So to avoid that, there is an automated behavior with spanning tree protocol and all that. There are many versions of spanning tree protocol which you can use at the end of the day. And the basic purpose of spanning tree protocol is like there is a common spanning tree protocol. That was an old technology. Okay, now you have the per VLAN spanning tree protocol. There is a multiple instance spanning tree protocol and a rapid spanning tree protocol. Now there are different variations, there are different versions, but the purpose of each particular technology at the end of the day remains the same: to avoid layer 2 loops into the particular network at the end of the day. Okay, so spanning tree protocol, the first important thing in the spanning tree protocol at the end of the day, I want to show you this beautiful demonstration on my paint. I'm gonna show you in that there is paint. I'm gonna show you in the software. So I'm gonna just draw a topology in front of you to demonstrate this particular thing and to give you a basic view and all that, and you're gonna find the difference, like what's the difference between this particular technology and all that. So suppose I just gonna create some of the switches in the network first. This is some of the switches. Okay, and these are few switches that I'm creating, and after that what I'm gonna do after that, I'm gonna just mention like what's the purpose of each particular switch into the network. So I'm gonna mention like, hey, this we have switch number 1, this we have is switch number 2, this we have switch number 3, and finally this we have is switch number switch number 4. Okay, and I'm gonna just present a basic connectivity, the lines between them and all that. So let me connect the lines between them. Let me connect lines between them. This is a line between them, and also the line between them. Extend it a bit. Okay, dear. Now we can see there is basically a topology here, and we can see like here we have the switch number 1, we have switch number 2, and switch number 3, and switch number 4. So first of all, in spanning tree protocol, the first basic purpose that you have to elect one thing which is known as the root bridge. A root bridge is basically a reference point for per VLAN instance of spanning tree protocol. Okay, so this is all from me. Thank you so much for watching this particular spanning tree protocol instance, and hope you're gonna understood this particular topology, and gonna see you in the next time. Thank you so much for viewing it. Hope so it has been informative for you, and thank you.